Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, as you see, it is daylight. So I wanted to do a quick video so you can actually see what I'm using as a workshop temporarily. Now this building is, like I said, about 10 by 10, something like that, so it's not very big. Let me show you where we are. North Carolina. So we have 2.5 acres. There's the house, as you see, huge swing set. Now the property line goes all the way over to that marker that you see hanging on that tree. So all of this is ours, including almost 400 feet in that direction. So this is all fenced, of course, and we are out in the wilderness. So like I said, we've got about 2.5 acres. 3-bedroom house, well water. So our utilities are basically electricity, nothing else. And trash, of course, $22 a month. So we've been here approximately 5 weeks. Now the week after we got here, my back exploded, straight to the hospital for emergency surgery, which was no fun. Spent 8 days in the hospital. Got home, and this is the first time probably in 2 weeks that I'm actually up and walking and able to do something. So anyway, here is the shed. Now this has been here for years and years and years, unused. They used it as storage. So like I said, I run a 100-foot extension cord over to the house. This is approximately 92 feet from the deck to this shed. Anyway, so now it has power. I'm going to be hanging the fluorescent light over the workbench today, get the power all sorted out, and then start moving the junk out of there. And I've got 35 boxes of trains that I have to keep from rusting, so it has to be in a controlled environment. I have a heater in here, so once this is up and running and painted, I think it's going to be more than sufficient for doing simple train repairs, even complex train repairs. And of course, I'll be doing other things as well, fishing poles, model rockets. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. I mean, it isn't much, but it's here, and I need a place to work, so it's going to have to do. Now, we were thinking of actually bringing in a building that would virtually fill this space. They have containers that have been converted to portable buildings, and they can literally just drop them off. So I'm not sure what we're going to do yet, but as you see, this is genuine wilderness. First week we were here, we saw a cougar out here. Now, cougars are not native to North Carolina, but the rangers actually have collared cougars they drop off in specific locations to control the deer population. Anyway, I'm going to put out some deer corn. Haven't seen any deer yet, but there's all kinds of wildlife. Bobcats, birds, squirrels, rabbits. And you can hear how quiet it is. I mean, it is virtually silent. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. So this is going to be the new base of operations once I get it up and running. Like I said, I'm hanging the light today. And over the next week or so, I'll be making some major improvements, get some trains out here and see what we can do. It's makeshift, but it's good enough for now until we figure out the building. I mean, we're going to be here the rest of our lives. I am not moving again. Anyway, as you see, I think it was definitely worth the effort to move here. It is absolutely silent, and it's all ours. So, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.